Here is a detailed and comprehensive guide on ampicillin. 1. Generic drug class, drug forms, brand names. Generic name. Drug class, aminopenicillin subclass of beta-lactam antibiotics, broad-spectrum penicillin. Available drug forms, oral, capsules 125 milligrams, 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams, oral suspension, 125 milligrams 5 milliliters, 250 milligrams 5 milliliters. Parenteral, powder for injection IM/IV use, 125 milligrams, 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams, 1 grams, 2 gram vials. Common brand names, polycillin, Principen. Note discontinued in some regions, totacillin, Marcillin, Standacillin. 2. Definition. Ampicillin is a semisynthetic penicillin antibiotic that has an extended spectrum of activity against gram-positive and select gram-negative bacteria. It is used to treat a wide range of infections by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis. It is especially effective in respiratory tract, urinary tract, gastrointestinal, and central nervous system infections. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Ampicillin targets the bacterial cell wall synthesis. It binds to penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs, inside the bacterial cell wall. These proteins are essential for the cross-linking of the peptidoglycan layer, which provides mechanical strength to the bacterial cell wall. Ampicillin inhibits the final transpeptidation step, preventing proper cell wall construction. As a result, the bacterial cell becomes weak and eventually lyses bursts due to osmotic pressure. It is bactericidal, kills bacteria, rather than bacteriostatic, inhibits growth. 4. Indications, uses. Ampicillin is used to treat a broad spectrum of bacterial infections, including respiratory tract infections, pharyngitis, sinusitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, urinary tract infections, UTIs, cystitis, pyelonephritis, gastrointestinal infections, enteritis caused by Salmonella, Shigella, Escherichia coli, central nervous system, meningitis, especially due to Listeria monocytogenes, other infections, septicemia, endocarditis, often in combination with aminoglycosides, gonorrhea, less common due to resistance, skin and soft tissue infections. And 5. Contraindications. Avoid using ampicillin in the following cases: known hypersensitivity to ampicillin, penicillins, or cephalosporins, history of anaphylactic reactions to beta-lactam antibiotics, use in infectious mononucleosis, high risk of skin rash, severe renal impairment without dosage adjustment. Hatter 6. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform your healthcare provider if you have allergies to penicillin, cephalosporins, or any beta-lactam antibiotics, asthma or a history of allergies, more likely to develop hypersensitivity reactions, kidney disease or dialysis dependency, requires dosage adjustment, gastrointestinal diseases, especially colitis, or a history of C. difficile-associated diarrhea, pregnancy, usually considered safe Category B, but consult your doctor. Breastfeeding, small amounts may be excreted in breast milk. #7. How to use. Oral use. Take on an empty stomach, 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals, for best absorption. Take with a full glass of water. Shake oral suspension well before each use. Use a dosing syringe or medicine spoon for accurate measurement. Avoid household spoons. Parenteral use, IVIM, administered by trained medical personnel. Dose and infusion time depend on the severity and type of infection. 8. Dosing information. Adults, general guidelines. Mild to moderate infections, 250 to 500 milligrams orally every 6 hours. Severe infections, 1 to 2 gram IM every 4 to 6 hours. Meningitis or endocarditis, 150 to 200 milligrams per kilogram day IV in divided doses every 4 hours. Children, dosing is weight-based, e.g. 100 to 200 milligrams per day in divided doses. Renal impairment, adjust dose and frequency based on creatinine clearance, CL. 9. Misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. If close to the next dose, skip the misdose. Do not double the dose to make up for misdoses. Overdumptums, symptoms, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, confusion, seizures, especially in renal impairment, seek emergency medical attention or call poison control. Hemodialysis may help remove excess drug. 10. Stop or avoid taking ampicillin if You develop signs of allergy, rash, itching, swelling, breathing difficulties. You experience severe or bloody diarrhea, possible C. difficile infection. Liver problems, yellowing of eyes or skin, dark urine. You have seizures, especially in kidney disease. 11. Side effects. Detailed. Common, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, skin rash, especially in viral infections. Uncommon to serious, hypersensitivity reactions, anaphylaxis, urticaria, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, or toxic epidermal necrolysis, rare. Pseudomembranous colitis from C. difficile, seizures, especially in high doses or renal impairment. Hepatotoxicity, abnormal liver function tests, jaundice, blood disorders, anemia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, oral vaginal thrush due to fungal overgrowth. Shanker 12, vital information. Complete the entire course even if symptoms improve early. Store oral suspension in the refrigerator. Discard after 14 days. Do not share this medication with others. Inform all healthcare providers you're taking an antibiotic. Use additional contraception methods if on oral contraceptives. 13. Drug interactions. Other drugs that affect ampicillin. Increased effect toxicity. Probenecid increases ampicillin levels by inhibiting renal excretion. Allopurinol increases risk of rash when used concurrently. Decreased effect tetracyclines may reduce ampicillin's effectiveness by slowing bacterial growth. Chloramphenicol, antagonistic effect with beta-lactams. Other considerations, oral contraceptives may decrease effectiveness, use backup contraception. Live vaccines, e.g. typhoid, reduced effectiveness during antibiotic use. Anticoagulants, e.g. warfarin, monitor INR closely due to increased bleeding risk. Thank you. Have a nice day.